What is it?
It's a toy ship.
It's what?
It's a toy ship.
It is.
Can you help me, Mommy? I wonder what it's for. Pirates.
Whoa. What do you say to Rowyn?
Thank you, Rowyn.
Wow, that is so cool, bud.
Whoa, what is it called?
Let me see it.
It's called Shark Bite Pirate. Show it to Daddy. Turn it so Daddy can see it.
Oh wow.
It's a shark ship.
Oh, so you go shark hunting?
Yeah, there's something that can come out from the mouth.
Here,
Oh,
hand me
wow.
that bag over there, bunny.
Let me see it over.
Ouch.
Oh, that's huge. Oh my goodness.
There's the bag.
Okay.
So show me what comes with it.
Missiles, a flag, treasure, a cannonball blaster, more missiles, and a shark, and a pirate.
Who are those guys? Is that, what's his name? Jake?
No.
Get your characters ready.
Yeah, you're supposed to push a button, Hunter.
What? Where
I
is
don't
it?
know. Oh, you push. What do you push?
Where,
I see something that says try me. What do you do?
where does it say try me?
Oh no, you push on the top.
Where?
The red part on the very top. There,
Here?
yeah. What happens? Oh! His mouth, oh, whoa!
What, does your ship have a shark mouth?
Yeah. What you want to see what you can do with?
Is that so you can
What do
you
with
can
this?
gobble
You
up
push
sharks?
this.
Oh my gosh. Can you push the other one in front of it? Does that do something?
Nope.
Oh, maybe that. Oh, you know what that does? It looks like it shoots your cannonballs.
Yeah, it turns.
That's his new thing now. When we're driving around, if anything goes wrong, he's like, you should just shoot a cannonball.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. I'll open this one.
Who's that from?
I don't know.
Oh, you know who that's from?
Oh, it's
From
another
Rowyn.
shark. It's another shark.
That must be
thing.
from Rowyn too.
Yeah, it's another shark. thing.
And Rowyn knows you pretty well, huh? Oh wow!
Shark is a trap for the pirates to catch it. And more missiles and an alligator.
Oh!
And this thing and treasure. These are awesome toys Rowyn got. Whoa. And there's the eyeball that shoots the missiles.
So you did tell Rowyn what you wanted.
Here, bring me your paper. We're on paper duty. We're gonna be neat and tidy so you don't lose any of your toys.
Did you tell Rowyn thank you?
Thank you, Rowyn.
Can you look at the camera and say thank you?
Thank you, Rowyn.
Did you wish her a Merry Christmas?
I wish you a Merry Christmas. Now I'm gonna open this present.
Okay.
Wow. It's the Ninjago's place that when they stole the sword of fire.
What?
It's Jay. And Lloyd.
Ah,
Look at that.
wow.
It's a volcano.
What is it, Hunter?
That's the volcano.
So what is it?
That's a fire temple. When they stole the sword of fire. There's Jay Lloyd. And there's one of the serpentine.
My goodness.
I want to open this.
Heavy paper. You're being such a good cleaner. I love it.
I love that. Now I'm going to open this small present next.
Okay.
Wonder what it is. Wow, it's a fire car for Kai with the serpentine on a bike. Look it. Cool. This is awesome. Now I'm gonna open this
What
present.
about my paper? Now we're gonna open this one.
How do you know that's for you?
Because it has H-U-N-T-E-R.
Daddy, just like the rest of them. What's that?
I don't know what it is.
Looks like something exciting.
New box.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness, those are cool.
Best present yet.
Put your feet in, see if they fit. Santa must have known that your other ones are too small.
Well, they've got socks in them
Wait,
already.
there's stuff you gotta
All
take
right,
out.
they get socks in them.
No, that's just.
Oh,
See if there's more stuff in there. Sometimes they put stuff at the bottom of the shoes. No, I mean inside the boot. Sometimes they put paper down there too. At least mommy's shoes come with paper in them. See if there's a ball of paper in there too.
I thought that was socks. I thought that's a great idea.
I
You can
know.
throw all those socks
See
away.
if they fit you.
We will. They're perfect.
Sweet. All right. Well, you got them on. Let's go clear the snow.
No.
Oh, yay, Hunter. Now you can wear bogs again.